Hey there, what a whole heap of things happened over this past week. Ladness. From Shensea attending Rock Nation brunch, Ramesh buying a BMW 7 Series blindly, a tribute held by our cultural minister to honor the late Bob Marley, and an art show with wine, music, and poetry at the Sky Gallery. New music and lots more. I'm your lovely host, Alicia. Let's get into it. You're cordially invited to the annual Rock Nation brunch. Oh wow, we didn't get an invitation, but dancehall artist Shensea sure did get her invite, and she went and represented with class, style, and grace. Remember now, in show business, it's all about connections and networking. And you better believe Shensea is out here networking at its best. Here are a few highlights and pictures if you've missed them going around on the internet. Now that's rich, or should we really say now that's trust? Buying a car without even seeing and knowing its features? Well, top-tier artist manager and businessman Ramesh did that. A white brand spanking new BMW 7 Series has a new owner locally, and it's the only one said to be on the island. Take a look.
Sir, this is what they call by pussy in a bag.
Yeah, tell them.
This is where they trust a sales rep. You used to go to school with Sloan.
Yeah.
He's here at BMW.
Yeah.
And Adam is a good friend of mine. And say, Ramesh, we know you don't love cars, but this is the ultimate cars because I'm an SUV person.
That's right.
So actually, this is the first I'm seeing the car.
Long overdue Grammy Award to reggae artist Kabaka Pyramid. The conscious, revolutionary lyricist with a unique musical style won his first Grammy for his album The Calling in what was described as one of the most solid lineups for the Best Reggae Album nominations. The nominees were Coffee with her album Gifted, Sean Paul with Scorcher, Protege with Third Time's the Charm, and Shaggy with Come Fly With Me. No, this was a rodeo anyone could have won. Talk about grateful and warm-hearted. He dedicated his win to his mother, his team, and the late Joe Mercer. He also stated in his thank you speech that, and I quote, "We were just some kids from Kingston, Jamaica. Congrats, Kabaka Pyramid, award well deserved." Prime Minister Andrew Holness posted on his Instagram an ad done for the clothing brand Levi's. He gave an insight into Levi's becoming a symbol of our unique style during the 1970s, saying it became a staple of Jamaican fashion back then. He also added that Jamaicans are known for their style and brand loyalty. The Levi's ad was played in the Grammy Awards, which highlighted how Jamaicans made the brand our own while adding our own style and flavor to it. He went on to say that there is no denying that Jamaica's influence and our ability to inspire the world through our original ideas or by simply taking something that already exists and adding our own distinctive Jamaican polish. The Honorable Andrew Holness ended the statement by saying, "Jamaica, indeed, to the world." On Monday, February 6th, 2023, the great reggae legend Bob Marley would have turned 78, and to honor him and his great legacy, each year a big celebration takes place. This year, our cultural minister held a free concert at Emancipation Park in New Kingston titled Musical Tribute to Bob, which seamlessly was a part of this month's Reggae Month celebration. Here are the highlights.
If you love Bob Marley, make some noise. Yeah.
What I don't see or don't live, reach God. I love you, I need you. Oh no, no. What I don't see.
It's only in the Father, you know I put my trust.
Gee, what I sing, when you ready now, watch ya. Say whether night or even day, we not go walking at the pagans way. No for them no right people. Say them no right people. Tell them again no. Say whether night or even day, we not go walking at the pagans way. All I would say good over evil, God over devil. Ready again now. And me say, oh Jah, guide and protect. Watch the move them we make when we step in our crap.
Depending on you. Come on. Jamaica. I catch a fever and a fresh cold. I'm depending on you. From my heart and soul, I'm depending on you.
Playing smart and not being clever. I said you work in iniquity.
Oh, through it all, I've learned to trust in Jesus. Learned to trust in God. Through it all, I've learned to depend upon His word.
You mean that's a lie? She said, boy, I gotta do this someday. From her body. And I said, baby, prepare. She said, I don't want you to tell nobody. And then I give it to you so easy. I said, with me, baby, you don't need to worry. She said, never.
There's a land that I have heard about so far across the sea. Can I hear you? There's a sea. Hallelujah. To have you on my dreamland would be like a heaven to me.
Excellent, we promote to the highest level. This is a destruction to the humanity. Emancipation path. Ready, let's go. Now I on you. Touch us with city, Jaja town. Jaja city, Jaja town. That turn into a dead man town. When you look and know, this a Junker Jock off and John Brown. We no want no more dead in a town.
Do you, think about that? A long, 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 long time. We no have no nice time. Do you, think about that? Hey, this is my heart to rock you steady. I give you love anytime you're ready. This little heart in me just won't let me be. But one love. What about your one heart? What about let's get together and feel alright? What you said? One love, one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Hey, let's get together and feel alright. One more thing. Let's get together to fight this holy Armageddon. So when the man comes, there will be no doom. Have pity on those whose chances go thin. There ain't no hiding place from the Father of creation. Sing it, yeah. One love. What you say, y'all? One heart. Oh, let's get together and feel alright. And we're pleading to mankind. One love. What about your one heart? We give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Oh, hey, let's get together and feel alright. One more time. From jungle to remote, from the valley to my chest. Come. All the youths in the struggle, they're fighting guerrilla warfare. Where the them, sir? Where them? Oh, so you have a plan and some ambition and make sure. Love in the house, love.
Stay with us, so we'll be right back with more PBCJ's E-Volve. Wine, music, poetry was the essence of this event held at the Sky Gallery on Thursday, February 9th. It was an open mic type of night with an exhibition dubbed Rhythms of Jamaica. Best believe we went and we couldn't leave it up to your imagination. We had to bring the highlights to you, so take a look. So we're here at the Sky Gallery with owner Tara Brown. Tara, I mean the Sky Gallery. It's my first time here, and the artwork, the pieces are remarkable. What was the thought process behind creating such a place like this?
Well, you know, there has been a need altogether for having a creative environment in Jamaica, and it hasn't been here at the level at which we're able to provide, where people can just come in and enjoy a multidisciplinary space of having art, wine, poetry, films, and art, and everything just being one space as an alternate form of entertainment.
So the theme for this exhibition, if I'm correct, is Rhythms of Jamaica. I see some pictures of Lee Scratch Perry and some other Jamaican artists, plus coffee. There's an artwork of coffee in here. Like, what was the thought process of having this month, which is the reggae month, be Rhythms of Jamaica?
This is Reggae Month as well as Black History Month, and we thought that it would be great to be able to have a space that would just represent things or art and different forms, because we partner with Jaria and Jaria's music, just have people to come in and experience a reggae themed exhibition. And part of reggae is not just what you see, but it's also what you hear and what you feel. So we're able to put together different artistic elements that somebody can come in and just experience and go, oh wow, this is what reggae is about.
All right, so we Jamaicans are very much used to the dub style of poetry. But this type of poetry is like a melodic, smooth, swoop. As I would have said, it's more the foreign style type of poetry. What was the ideation behind having a poetry open mic night?
You know what's funny about it? There's a lot of them in Jamaica and a lot of them in Kingston in particular. The problem is that a lot of people don't know about it. And I find that we experience a lot of things when we go overseas, and then we don't know how to have those same experiences here in Kingston, in Jamaica. And that's what the Sky Gallery is trying to do. We're trying to bring different experiences that's accessible to everybody at one time.
Okay, so where can they find you on Instagram, and what else can they expect from the Sky Gallery in months to come?
Okay, well, they can find us at everything for us is the Sky Gallery JA. So our website is the Sky Gallery JA, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everything Sky Gallery JA. We have Artful, which is on Saturday, where we have salsa classes, we're going to have yoga classes, and we're also going to have sip and paint. And then in addition to that, we're going to be having vendors that's preparing everybody to come in for Valentine's. If you don't want to do your Valentine's shopping, or you can come and do couples classes, or if you want to just come and listen, because we have a performance that's supposed to be happening at 5 o'clock as well, they can come and experience that. And then next week, Friday, we have Films Under the Sky, where the Artful or the Art Wine Poetry deck is flipped the other way, and then we're showing an entire film on Reggae Month. So there's a lot of things that's happening. And then at the end of the month, we're partnering with Jaria, or we're going to have Rhythm and Rhymes, which is going to be a music concert all together. So other than that, if people would like to support the gallery, support the artists, and support the arts, they can purchase art at theskygalleryja.com. We have a complete online store that's accessible not just to locals, but to all our supporters that are overseas.
You heard it from Tara herself. The Sky Gallery partner with Jaria, Rhythms of Jamaica. Believe me, tonight was a night that you missed if you weren't here. Trust me, it's the place to be. So come on over on the Saturdays to be a part of what's happening here. I mean, the Sky Gallery, relaxation, proper meditation, that's what you want. New music is about to hit your ears, and the videos are fire. We feature TJ and Shaggy with Gyal Dem Time, Intense with Lonely Road, Kurt Diamond with Love in Our Heart featuring Bob the Builder, Del Unit with Watching Me, and Freetown Collective featuring Sheriff with Mighty People. Take a look.
Dem time, the girl dem time. What am we letting the girl time? The girl dem time, the girl dem time. Money we spend letting the girl time. Send a couple millions if you take that. Any girl me there with that fi get cash. Till the catch fever. Lonely road, problem keep on coming, but we don't give up. You think that you're the only one, you're not alone. Well, in comes the thing called Galang brought to you by about the belly from Lana, make him to fix it about the back into the back water from Kurt Diamond. When up after them are clean, but you're only singing but you're watching me. You're socializing, baby, but you're watching me. I want this sweet wine, darling. Whoa. Just keep full of you mighty people, of you mighty people, of you mighty, of you mighty, of you mighty people, of you mighty people, of you mighty people, of you mighty, of you mighty, of you mighty people.
We've come to the end of another great episode of PBCJ's E-Volve. Thanks for watching. I am your host, Alicia. Remember to follow us on all socials at PBCJamaica. Also, if you have a story to share, email us at asteel@pbcjamaica.org. A big thank you to Hair Addiction Collections, and remember to follow them on all socials at Hair Addiction Collections. Thanks to Litfits JA also for my t-shirt today. Until next time, remember to live an entertaining lifestyle.